Hi, now we're going to revise something new that you already took before. Capital letters. When do we use them and how do we use them? Now, we know the capital letters like A. That's how we write it. When do we use it? When we talk about names of people like Ahmed, Ali, Sarah, or Sarah in Arabic. For places like Amman, Jordan, capital A and J, and something related to the places. Or language, English, capital E, Arabic, capital A. Second use is at the beginning of a sentence, بأول الجملة. أول ما نبدأ الجملة, capital letter immediately. If we finish a sentence and we start a new sentence, capital letter immediately. إيش في كمان? Names of books, titles of movies, like Hamlet, H, by Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a name, so we add capital S. For abbreviations, اللي هم الاختصارات. اختصارات لما يكون لنا اسم كبير ونستخدم أول حرف من كل كلمة. Like Royal Society of Fine Art. رح نكتبهم capital R, S, F, A, all in capital. اختصارات. This is how we use the capital letters. في عنا شغلة تانية. Connecting words. ليش بنستخدمهم؟ كيف نستخدمهم؟ في عنا but, because, and however. ليه بنستخدمهم؟ But when we mention two things. بس في واحد positive وواحد negative أو واحد مختلف وواحد إشي تاني. Like I love chocolate but I don't like vanilla. عنا كمان because when I give a reason. سبب. I'm afraid of heights because I fell when I was a kid. أنا بخاف كتير من الارتفاعات لأني وقعت لما كنت صغيرة. What else? And when we connect two similar things. نجمع أشياء مع بعض. I love playing football and basketball. This is another example. آخر وحدة however. لما نحط جملتين. واحدة برضو positive والتانية يمكن شوي negative. I like having fun during the weekends. However, I cannot do it during the week because I'm tired from work. طبعاً هدول أشياء كتير سهلة وأنا متأكدة إنكم عرفتوها, but we need to revise it every once in a while. Good job, everyone.